So very quickly in this video, I want to show you how you'll be able to solve query like this on Upgrade to Limited. I don't know if you have done Upgrade to Limited Liability Company before the system update of CAC portal, right? If you have done this before, you know that whenever you want to do an upgrade to limited liability company, there's usually a small box around this place that will input the registration number, and automatically it will bring out that business name for us to click on apply for consent, or for even this button to be activated, because it will not activate if you not input the right registration number and all, right? And before now, you guys would agree with me that we don't even need to submit upload of evidence of annual return. Some people usually do their process like that, but I do not. Before, I don't, and I've gotten numerous approval and no issue, right? So now the process has changed. The process has changed. We do it manually, the registration number or registration name, that process is not needed anymore, and the only thing we need to do is just continue applying for the consent and get to the upload registration stage. So in case you have this query, or in case you want to avoid any query of this sort, right? So what you just do is upload the necessary documents. I know you might be like, okay, if the acknowledgement letter, if there are more than one or more than two or more than three, how will I do it? So this is how I did mine. All the acknowledgement letter, I merged them with I love PDF. So this is it. I merged all the acknowledgement letter with I love PDF. I cannot show you now because this is a sensitive document. So there are just three. All you have to do is come to I love PDF, come to merge PDF, then you merge all the PDF and you upload at this supporting document site. Also, you may also think that, okay, what if they need status report? They are only showing CAC certificate of business name here. To be on the safer side, right, you can also merge the certificates and the status report. You merge it together and you upload. Likewise, the letter of consent, you don't need to merge that one. What you just have to do is upload the letter of consent like that. So if you click on continue from here, you'll be able to proceed with your registration and you won't have to face any other query of such again. So in case you have any other query aside from this or this, click on the first link in the description or in the comment section. You'll be able to access our support documents where we answer queries and discuss anything that is related to business compliance, registration, license, certificates, and all of that. We also have our AI for CAC Agent course that is still available on our portal, and we also have a new course showing up today, which is on how to do export license yourself without any help, and how to get approval within 24 to 48 hours, right? So that's all. Thank you. See you.